Hello, I'm Jessica Ryan Keeney. I am the Department of Child Support Services attorney for two small Northern California counties. I've been practicing family law since December of 2009. What I'm going to say today is not legal advice, and it applies to California only, but it's for educational purposes only. Please give us a like, subscribe, ding the bell so that you get notifications when we upload new content, and thank you for tuning in today. So what we're going to discuss today is how long the petitioner has to serve the initial documents or the summons and complaint or the summons and petition on the respondent in a California civil case. And the short answer is the petitioner has 3 years from the date that the case is initiated, meaning from the date that it was opened up in court, which is generally the date that the summons and complaint were filed or that the summons was issued and the petition was filed. So they've got 3 years to get the respondent served, and then they have to get the proof of service of summons filed with the court within 60 days of the deadline for serving the respondent. So within 3 years and 60 days, that proof of service of summons has to be filed, but that doesn't mean that they have 3 years and 60 days to serve the initial documents. Oh no, the law and the case law are very clear. They have 3 years to get that summons and complaint or summons and petition served on the respondent. And if that doesn't happen within 3 years, then the case will be dismissed and it can't be prosecuted. And there are some legal statutory exceptions for why the time to serve someone could be extended, but we're not discussing those in this video. For all intents and purposes, just keep it in your head that you've got 3 years at most to get the respondent served. Obviously, you may want to get them served before that deadline approaches, but there are some good reasons why it may take somebody 3 years to get the respondent served. Sometimes you just can't find the respondent for that amount of time. So there you go. That's how long you have to serve your initial documents, that summons and complaint or summons and petition in a California civil case. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, ding the bell so that you get notifications when we upload future content. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, go ahead, leave them in the comments. Any answers will not be legal advice, but they often make for good discussions.